Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Janavaithana Vigraham Sukham Tucham. So this materialistic life means sex life, very, very abominable, tucham. If anyone has understood this, then he is liberated. But if one is still attracted, then it is to be understood that there is still delay in liberation. And one who has understood and has left it, even in this body, he is liberated. He is called Jivana Mukta Sauchyate. Ihajasya Haridasi Karmanam Manasa Vacha Nikhileshu api avasthasu Jivana Mukta Sauchyate. So, how we can become free from this desire? Ihajasya Haridasi. If you simply desire to serve Krishna, then you can get up. Otherwise, that is not possible. If you desire anything else except the service of the Lord, then Maya will give you inducement. Why not enjoy this? Therefore, Jamunacharya says, Jadavadhi mama chitta Krishna padaravinda. Nama nama dhamarantu masi tadavati batanari sangami smarjamani bhavati mukhu vikara sustu nishti banancha. Jadavadhi, since the time mama chitta, I have engaged my life and soul, my consciousness, in the service of the lotus feet of Krishna. This verse is given by Jamunacharya. He was a great king. And kings are generally licentious. But he became later on a saintly devotee. So, his personal experience, he is saying, that since I have engaged my mind in the service of the lotus feet of Krishna, Jadavadhi mama chitta Krishna padarvinda. Nama nama. And service, spiritual service means every moment new. It is not hackney. Those who are spiritually realized, they will find to serve Krishna means new enlightenment. New enlightenment. Nama nama dhamarantumas. Here in this material world, you enjoy, it becomes hackney. Puna puna chalida. Therefore you are disappointed. But if you engage yourself in the service of Krishna, you will find new and new encouragement. That is spiritual. If you find it agony, then you must know that you are not yet serving spiritually, you are serving materially. Formality, stereotype. But if you feel new and new energy, then you know that you are serving spiritually. This is the test. Your enthusiasm will increase, not decrease. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare